Okay, so the makeup for this show this year is pretty simple. It's very classic and very pretty. So the main focus is kind of going to be the makeup. So obviously, I'm sure that we all know how to do our makeup. If not, you can kind of just follow this video, or you can look up other videos that go in more in depth. But I just applied foundation all over my face, obviously, and then I applied concealer underneath my eyes and on my eyelids. And now I'm highlighting the face with concealer on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, the top of my lip, and my chin. And then I'm setting that with a powder. And now I'm going to contour the cheeks. You want to kind of go right at the bottom, the top of your ear down to the top corner of your mouth. And that's generally the space that you would contour. So make sure that you make it dark enough to see from far away. And then I'm applying my bronzer. I'm taking that about at the bottom of my temple all the way down right before the apple of my cheeks. You don't want to pull that too close to your nose. And then I also went ahead and bronzed my forehead. Now I'm applying blush right in the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going in with a dual fiber brush and I'm blending that out so that it's not so prominent. I don't want it to look like a clown. I want it to be nice and natural and pretty. And then I'm applying highlight to my upper cheekbones and the sides of my temples, as well as down the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going in and setting that concealer with a like a natural shade, like an eyeshadow that matches your skin tone. That's just so that the eyeshadow we put down blends nicely. Now I'm going in with a fluffy brush and I'm just taking the bronzer that I used and I'm putting that into my crease. So for this look, you're not really using any eyeshadows per se, aside from, again, that natural shade we just put down to help this bronzer blend out. But I am taking that bronzer, putting it in my crease. And then I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to blend the bronzer up and out so that's a lot more smoky and seamless, and it looks like that your eyes are just naturally pretty. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back in with a smaller packing brush and I'm going to pick up that same eyeshadow that I used before. Go ahead and use something that's a little bit brighter even if you have it. And we're going to put this on our eyelid, so right below the crease. This is just, again, going to make your eyes have a lot more dimension. They're going to look bigger, they're going to look more doll-like, a lot more pretty. Then I'm just simply going in and deepening out the outer corners with more of that bronzer. And now I'm taking some more of that bronzer and putting it on my lower lash line, just to tie it all together and make our eyes look like it's naturally pretty and has lots of dimension. And then I'm going and putting a nude stick liner in my bottom waterline, and then I'm applying winged eyeliner. Make sure that the wing is very big and visible because the eye look is so simple. You want to make sure that there is something that makes your eyes pop, and in this case it will be the eyeliner. So again, make sure that the wings are the center point of your eyes. Then I just applied some mascara and I applied my lipstick, and now I am brightening my inner corners with that same eyeshadow that I put on my eyelids. And that's the finished look. So make sure that you have all the things that you need to do to make your face makeup nice and pretty. Do not skip the face makeup because the eyes are so natural looking. If you don't have any face makeup on, it won't look the way it needs to.